Okay, so Caitlin's got the basics of the squat down. She's done one set of air squats and one set with the bar, and we've gone over the rack position. Now I want to talk about some common errors we see with new people in the squat, and it's back position. And there's really two types of your back that you need to be thinking about when you squat. The first is the lumbar, and the lumbar, go ahead and turn around, is these two little muscle bellies on either side of the spine to connect down in here to the pelvis. Everyone knows when you squat or deadlift, you don't want a rounded back. So the question becomes, how do I make this low back rigid and a good force transmitter? So the first thing I want you to do is standing relaxed with your hands at your side. I want you to kind of lift up your tailbone here. Lift that, like that, and then relax it, and then lift it again. Good. So when she lifts her tailbone like that, what she does right now is she actually goes into a little bit of overextension. You can relax. Women will have the ability to go into overextension. Most men will not be able to. But the concept is the same for both. So she's going to set the lumbar into overextension, and then she's going to take a big breath of air and brace her abs. And what that's going to do is bring the lumbar back to neutral. So go ahead and do that. So set this into extension, and now breathe in and brace your belly tight. Now it comes back to neutral, and her whole core or abdomen is rigid and ready to produce force. Okay, relax. Second part of this is her upper back, or what we'll refer to as her thoracic. A lot of people, when they're squatting, because we're teaching a leaned over position, they often do what I call dump the thoracic, and as they're going down, they know they're supposed to lean over, so they let the elbows come up and they lose their upper back. That sends the bar forward of midfoot and kills the balance. So what I want Caitlin to do is once she gets under the bar, you're going to kind of think of your USA on your chest, or like if you had Superman, big chest, elbows down. And as you lean over, you're going to keep that thoracic extension, okay? So let's put all of that together now. Good, good. Get underneath in that low bar position. Slide to the right just a little bit, right there. Go ahead and stand up. Take a step back. Good, now stand up. Now set the low back like I showed you. And then breathe in and brace your belly. Good. Now keep your elbows down, eyes down, sit back, lean over and squat. Chest down, chest down, chest down, hips up. Pretty good. New breath of air in. Keep your knees shoved out as you go down. And come up. Good. So you can see a neutral lumbar right here, and notice that she's keeping the upper back set and extension. Again. Come up. And two more. Press from the middle of your foot out of the bottom. Midfoot, push midfoot. And one more. Drive it up. Walk it in, feel it hit the uprights, and down.